guys, I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are getting ready to make southern fried cabbage with chorizo, andouille sausage, and bacon. Yum! Let's get busy. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, make sure your cabbage is washed really well, and we're going to cut it straight down the middle, guys. This way, straight down the middle. All right, and that looking good. Then we want to get the core out. That's this hard piece right in here. You want to get that out. So we'll just cut it just like that in a triangle. Pull it right out, guys. Pull it right out. You don't need that. Toss it aside. Then from there, turn it back over. Just going to slice it up. That's it. And as we slice it up, as you can see, it'll break up into pieces, and that's what we want. So we'll get this cabbage all done and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to use about half of this onion, so I'm just going to cut it just like this. Set that aside. And I kind of like it in slices, so I'm going to slice it this way. Then I'm going to chop up I have about 4 cloves of garlic here, guys. 4 cloves of garlic. Always break them apart. Then we want to just chop up our garlic. And if you don't have fresh garlic, you can always use garlic powder or the jarred minced garlic, any one. Just use some garlic, and you can also use onion powder if you don't want the actual onions in there as well. This little cup. Okay, so that right there, and next we want to slice up our sausage. I kind of like to slice it on an angle, guys, just for presentation reason. And I also like to have them kind of thin. Yes, we'll just get this sliced up as well. Okay, all of our sausage is done. Now we're just going to take a few pieces of bacon and chop those up as well, guys. And I am using Applewood smoked bacon. Don't need a lot of it because we got 3 different kinds in here. That'll be good enough. Just kind of want to chop that up as well. Okay, guys, and then we will be using some beef chorizo. All right. Okay, guys, so we are going to start off by putting our bacon in the skillet. We're actually going to cook all of our meat pretty much together, guys. Pretty much together. Yes. At the end of the day, it's all going together. You want this fat to render down just a little bit. put in our sausages. Okay, we're still adding our cabbage in here, guys. I think my video went off a minute ago and I didn't get to capture taking out the andouille sausage, but this is the andouille sausage, bacon, and chorizo, guys. All right, and after that, I'm not sure I captured when I actually cooked my onions and garlic. I'm not sure I captured that, guys, but I actually sauteed my onions and garlic before I started putting my cabbage in. I think my camera went off. But that's all you need to do is saute your onions and garlic, guys. Saute your onions and garlic. Let's just get the rest of this on in here. And guys, I actually was looking around on YouTube at different other recipes and things, and I came across this fried cabbage recipe on Raymax Kitchen and Grill. Thought I'd just try it out, guys. Thought I'd try it out. So here we go. Let's get this finished up. I switched up a few things, as most people do in their recipe, according to what they like. And that's why I was saying earlier, if you don't have andouille sausage, use any smoked sausage that you have or that you like, and you don't have to use chorizo. You can just add in some Creole and Cajun spices that you like, but that chorizo is pretty hot, guys. It's pretty hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna make sure I got all of this turned over into here, trying to get it turned over from the bottom. Then we're gonna put a top on it, guys. Now I actually have a lid that goes to this Dutch oven, but you can't see through it, so I don't use it very often, so I just grabbed another top. And if you don't have a top, you can put a plate over it, as long as it's heat resistant, foil or whatever you have, but you want to get it covered up and go ahead and let this cabbage cook down. You don't need any liquid, no water, no chicken stock, anything, no liquid at all, because after all, guys, we are frying this cabbage. So now I'm going to get the top on. Let that cook down a bit, and we'll be back. Okay, let's go in and get our sausage, chorizo, and bacon in here, guys. It's cooking down really well, guys. Yes. Put this one in here. All the juices, guys. Get all that love out of the bowl. That's your love in there. You want to make sure you get it out the bowl, guys. Don't leave anything in there. Okay, I'm just going to mix this in a little bit here. Yes, isn't that looking amazing? Yes, all right. And we're going to put the top back on it and let it cook down some more. Okay, guys, take this top off. Oh yeah, looks good, looks good. We are done. Yes, delicious, 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 guys. Look at that. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Time for that taste test. Time for that taste test. All right. Okay, guys, we're all done with our southern fried cabbage with bacon, chorizo, and andouille sausage. Yes. Doesn't that look good and amazing? Look at the steam coming out. Yes. And guys, I have a cornbread recipe, and I'll leave that link in the description, the comments, as well as right above here. Check that out because it'll be amazing with this cabbage. Yes. So we're gonna go in now for our taste test. I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything on my fork. Yes, awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, you see I got some of the sausage in there, the cabbage, the bacon, the chorizo. Oh my goodness, it is hot because you see the smoke. Have a bite, have a bite. Yes. Guys, amazing, amazing. Ooh, this is piping hot. Ooh, Mmm. 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 There's only one thing I can say, guys. One thing. More. Mmm. 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 Guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to this channel and tap the bell so that you can get the next video and the next video and the next video that I upload right away. You can be the first to get the videos, guys. So tap that bell, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave me some comments. Comments, because that's my communication with you guys, and I love talking back and forth. So leave me some comments, guys, and you know what I'm getting ready to say next? Share me out. Sharing is caring. Share the recipe out. Share me out. Share me out. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.